These are the elevators at the Bluewater East South Condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. These are Delaware elevators. Oh look, it lands on both sides. Let's go to 9. Door closed button works. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll send this one down. Down arrows don't work. Well, let's go outside and look out. I sure love the view of Ocean City so much. Oh, but there I can see the 90 bridge. There's Coastal Highway. All I can remember was those days. The beautiful wide ocean. And there's Sales to Condo where I videotaped that. Even the ones of, even a Camelot. I don't know why I miss going in the ocean. Anyway, coronavirus keeps us down, you know? So I'm going back down anyway. This one. Let's go back to G. Look at a cab view. Man, these cabs are too tall. I don't like these cabs. Certificates here. Emergency phone button. Capacity is about 2,500 pounds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's ground. And that's